Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Speedway, and also inside this particular video I'm going to show you guys another powerful indicator. As we can see, this indicator is different because it's having this not reprint indicator here, this particular arrow here that you see, which is the yellow uh, arrow here. You can see that, and also we can see that we have our not reprint indicator also on this. This is the two combination of not reprint, so we are going to be using the combination of not reprint indicator together to catch up our trade in this particular video. So this is step index on 1 minute time frames. You can see this is 1 minute time frames. So this is how to take use of this particular on this particular video, and this is how we take it. Anytime we have our first not reprint indicator that show on our charts, and also don't forget we have our supports and our resistance level. This is our resistance level, and this is our support level. And the same thing also happen here. We have our support area, we have our resistance level here, and this is our support. So the support area represents where we are going to be closing our trade, and this is how to take a trade when you have this complete indicator on your charts. So we can see this is a step index on 1 minute time frames. We have our first not reprint indicator as an arrow indicator. You can see that it indicates at this particular area. This is the first zone for us to see that the trend have already confirmed. But this is not an entry level. This is not our entry level. You can see if you mark it like this, you will see that it respect that particular, it's from our FRG there at that particular zone. And when we see this particular zone, it appear at this particular area, which is the second not reprint indicator here. It appear on this particular candle. So this is our entry level. The first confirmation must be our not reprint arrow appear, which is the red line here, which is the red arrow here that show up, and the second indicator, which is the not reprint also, which also is not reprint, must also appear. Then this is where for you to enter the trade. So you can enter the trade at this particular zone, and you are going to be following this our indicator here to take down the trend until you see your resistance level show here. You can see the blue line that show around here. So this will be our take profit level. So that is how to take this particular trade. You can see this particular one also. We can see that we first have our resistance level here that show that the trade have reached our support level towards to reverse back on the uptrend. Now we have the arrow first indicator that first appear, which is not reprint indicator. You can see that it appear here, and there's a pullback little bit, which indicates for the second arrow to appear. So immediately you have the signal for this second arrow. This is where you're supposed to enter your trade at this particular zone. This is where you're supposed to enter the trade, and you are going to be taking up the trade with the first indicator here. And the trade, you are going to be taking up the trade until you meet up with your support area. Once you see that there is a support zone starting coming up, then this is where to take out the trade. We can see the same thing happen here. We have our support area appear to us that the market is on a downtrend. Now we have our red arrow indicator here that shows to us that we have a downtrend, and there's a little pullback, which our second not reprint indicator appear also. So it is a combination of these two together that give us the best accurate result in the market. So you can see what happened here. The markets go pull up a little bit, then come back and respect this particular zone. So we are going to be following the trend of the market until we have our resistance level appear here. Then this is the level we are going to be leaving. We are going to be closing our profits on this particular trend. You can see. So you can see another one here that we have our yellow arrow indicator appear first here. So this is not a strong confirmation for us. This must be the first arrow for us to appear. Like what happened here, it must be the first arrow to appear before the second not reprint indicator appear. So once the second one appear, this gives us a full confirmation. You can see it still respect that particular zone, but I will not advise us to wait for this most of the time. So our best setup for accurate setup, for accurate entry, for profitable way is to wait for the trend first to appear, which is the red arrow here. It's also a not reprint indicator, and we also need to wait for this second indicator to appear. So immediately it appears, then you can go along and trade it alongside until you have your what? Until you have your resistance level here, which is the blue line that you see here that appear on the chart. Then that will be your take profit level. So for you to get this indicator is very simple. Kindly join our Telegram group and reach out to me, and you are going to get this indicator. Thanks. See you guys in our next video.